Hi, hello and welcome to Ceylon Food Court. Hi guys, today we are going to make a chocolate agar agar pudding. And guys, if you are still not with the Ceylon Food Court family, please do subscribe, like and click on the bell icon. The first thing guys, take a pan and pour all your milk into it. This is about 500 ml of milk guys, and then you put all your sugar into the milk. This is not blended sugar, this is normal sugar that we use guys. And then comes cocoa powder. Also the important part, the agar agar powder. This is about 7 to 10 grams guys. I am putting one entire packet. And all you have to do guys, entirely mix the entire mixture until it is been full mixed into one liquid, just like this. And guys, the next thing to do is light up your gas and make sure that you keep your flame in medium. If your quantity is high, you can keep in medium or a little bit less than medium, not low. About medium is enough. And keep in mind guys, please keep it on stirring it up while it is heating. And when it is bit heated guys, you can add your chocolates. Now you can compare this chocolate guys that I have in my hand. It is a big chocolate, so that I am only adding little. You can take any dark chocolate if you are adding more milk, or you can use milk chocolate, that is totally fine. I have used milk chocolate over here. And after adding your chocolate guys, you can see my mixer is heated. Entirely keep it on stirring until your chocolate is dissolved in the mixture, and you can taste it up. If you think chocolate is not enough guys, you can add more. And then keep it on mixing. When entire chocolate is dissolved guys into the liquid, switch off your gas and let it rest and let it cool down. And when it is cooled down guys, take a container. Over here I have taken a ice cream box, and you can take any container and pour your mixture into it and let it rest until it is in the room temperature, and then you refrigerate it for about 1 hour time. 1 hour is more than enough. When you have refrigerated it for 1 hour time guys, now you can see my chocolate agar agar pudding is ready. Although this is a plastic container, it is flexible enough to transfer it into a tray or a plate, whatever that you prefer. That is it guys, my chocolate agar agar pudding is ready to serve. As you can see guys, it is beautifully done and it is very delicious. Everyone would love this. Hope you make it at home guys. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.